Well guys, I finally did it. I put 1,000 miles on that thing. Welcome folks, Flip and I here, back up at Bert's Harley Davidson because the Standard needs to have its first service. Wait a minute, did I just do this?
Welcome folks, Flip and I here. Today I'm heading over to Bert's Harley Davidson as usual. Today's occasion is that today is a 1,000-mile service for the Standard, which I still need to make a video on, like talking about the Standard itself. We'll get there. I mean, doesn't the mystery make it a little bit more fun though? Whatever, not the point. So yeah, I gotta take the Standard over to Bert's. They're gonna do the service there. Shade Tree Surgeon and I have a little bit of business. We've been doing a lot of business lately. I don't know why. We're just two dirtbag bikers with a drinking problem, and people want to talk to us. Who knows? We got a lot of plans for the future, and you know, you gotta stick around and see them. So suck it. Oh God, it's Super Bowl weekend. This sucks. Oh my God, everybody thinks it's so cool. No, it isn't. It's a military zone in freaking Tampa right now. There's helicopters and low flyovers all the time. It's awful. Oh yeah, we got Mr. Jared Weems right behind us. He's on my Bonneville right now. You know, if he's gonna get on a modern motorcycle, he still refuses to get on a Harley because he's a jerk. He's on a modern motorcycle. That's good for him though. Moving up in the world. Going from a 52 Thunderbird to a 2019 Bonneville. Look at that guy, making leaps and bounds. Regardless of it all, we're about to hit the bridges and get nice and loud and windy. I'm gonna turn up the jams. You guys are just gonna sit there and wait for 3 seconds.
Hey Jared, you feel like a whore in church thinking to yourself, what the hell am I doing here right now?
This is not my kind of place.
You're embedded in with the enemies, man.
I feel sketchy here.
No. Still? Weird? It's motorcycles.
Everything's
Just
made in
motorcycles.
America. It's so weird.
Alright, so Kenny is finally doing the service on the Standard. Is she cleared to do burnouts?
Yes.
Yes!
And no. I'm not at liberty to say.
You said yes first. It's always amazing how 5 hours can feel like 6. So that's finally done. You know, chit chat and small talk and all the other stuff. AJ and I are hungry, and AJ's never been to El Cap, so I'm gonna go take him some damn good burgers. So this is usually the part of the video where I go, hey look guys, Bert's Harley Davidson, they're fantastic dudes. They let me borrow motorcycles and let me go on awesome trips and blah 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 blah, but we're not. Where are we instead? We're at freaking Best Buy again. Why are we Best Buy again? Because this GoPro 7 that I bought from them is a piece of giant crap. It keeps freezing, it drains my batteries, you hit stop, it doesn't stop, you hit start, it doesn't start. It's freaking frustrating. I've had enough, I'm returning it, and I'm gonna figure out what's going on next because the only way I can make videos of proper equipment, and I don't have it. Need to figure that out. All right, so regarding the GoPro situation, I did return that 7 and it took me a couple days and I figured it out eventually. I said, screw it. Just gonna go ahead and grab the GoPro 9. And on top of that, I even grabbed the Max lens. And what's so cool about the Max lens? Let me show you.
So the really cool thing about the Max lens, let me show you. So you're looking at me and you see me doing this, and you see me doing that, and whatever. You get it. But I'm gonna put up this footage right up in the corner, and you're gonna see that the Max lens keeps the horizon. So as you tilt the motorcycle, you keep the horizon, and that's the coolest thing. And that's what made me really give in and go, fine, I'm gonna get the freaking 9. Let's see what it is. There's more to it, but that's another video, and we'll talk about that in another video. But again, right now, it's freaking burger time. To come back in really quick, I was really excited about this Max lens because A, I kind of want to see what it happens. I really want to see what it looks like on a motorcycle. I want to give it to Shelby, who actually knows how to ride an actual motorcycle, like an actual person who actually knows how to actually ride a motorcycle. I know, right? Get annoyed. So So like I want to see him do like twisties and turns and stuff and see it like woo woo, but like the horizon stays. That's exciting to me. But another thing is this, is that I know myself, and like the filmmaker in me wants to keep things level and steady, and when I'm editing I notice that I cock my head to the left. Sorry, AJ. But when I'm editing, I know that I cock my head to the left. And it drives me insane. And I'm sure that most of you don't notice it. But me, I see it. I see the horizon just slightly. Or that way, yeah. Slightly. Yeah, whatever. It's either way. It bothers me. And I'm really hoping that like this just keeps things level and adds to a cinematic experience for you fine folk. As for me, hopefully it makes my anxiety and my OCD-ness in certain scenarios a little bit lighter. But yes, this is only the second time I've gotten to use a GoPro 9. It's only the first time I put on the max lensing, taking it out. Very curious to see what's going on with it. It's very intriguing. It's very, very intriguing. Right. Swear. Burgers.
Alright, so we've been to El Cap, but he hasn't been to El Cap. Let's see what he thinks. I think he'll be pleasantly surprised. I really don't think that you know what you're getting yourself into.
Oh, a lot of food, I hope.
Some really good food.
My aunt had the same patio furniture.
I really don't think that you're as excited as you need to be, AJ.
Hungry, I'm hangry.
I know, I understand that, but you don't understand. This burger is gonna haunt you.
Forever.
We'll talk about this when after we're done. You're gonna get mad at me because there's gonna be no burger like it.
As long as there's a camera on when it happens.
Oh, there's gonna be.
I might whoop.
Hello, can I take your order, please? Sirs? Excuse me, I'm pretty sure you dropped this. I'm just gonna take that off your hand, and I'm just a random bird. Walking around. Hey, what's going on? Nice to see you. Alright, AJ, let's see.
I'll get some more Coke.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Is this the best burger you've ever had?
We shall see. That's really good.
Maybe not the best, but very, very close. It's just damn good.
I think I may need another one though. I could probably do 2 of these.
I said you can, I just said you shouldn't.
AJ hated his food so much that he asked to see a manager. Rude, AJ. Rude.
This manager's rude.
Can I help you with anything?
Sir, calm down. Well, I'm trying to creep up on me.
Get him. Get him. Get him.
There's like a whole colony of them suckers behind my apartment.
I see you. I see what you're doing over there. Eating out the trash can like a hobo. Look at him go. Look at him go. Yeah, French fries are good, aren't they? Nom 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 nom.
Census. Where are
Good
you?
stuff.
There you are. Good stuff?
I don't like the manager's attitude.
Yeah, I agree with that one. Just nitpicking at everything in the trash can.
Staring at me the whole time I'm eating.
You gonna eat that? We made it to the shame. I'm tired, I'm cranky, I'm full, and I'm gonna call this a day, so you know how this works. Don't forget to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe, AJ.
Catch you on the flip side.
Get to right, I love this.